y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. Hey girl, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Hopefully you'll stay a while. I mean, you know, I like to think that I'm fun. You know, I think we have a good time over here, so hopefully you'll enjoy this video and then you'll go watch some others, and then that'll lead you to subscribing. You know, join the team, girl, join the team. But today we're going to be doing a review on this wig that I have on right here right now. This color is definitely doing what it's supposed to do, so let's get into it. Okay, so this wig was sent over to me from Julia Hair. This is what their packaging looks like. It has the logo on the front with care instructions and stuff like that on the back. Inside, they gave the wig, of course, and then a little bag with some hair clips and a scarf. So this is what the wig looks like fresh out of the box. It's their 13x4 highlight brown loose wave wig, and it is 24 inches long, and this is what she's given fresh out of the box. You don't always like to show you what it looks like fresh out the box before I do anything to it. This is what the lace in the frontal portion is given. The construction, it has like combs on the side, a comb in the back, and it does have an adjustable strap. It does not have an elastic band, unfortunately. But here's another close-up look at the frontal portion and the part and everything. Now, this color is giving what it's supposed to have gave, okay? Like, a lot of the times you get these wigs and the color be too, like, yellowish, like, and I feel like it's not even doing it justice on camera. Like, it's very, like, a nice ash, dull, kind of like blonde. I'm so into this. I'm about to just roughly straighten this out. Like, I want it to be straight, but hey. Now, obviously, you can, like, straighten the hair better than I did, like, and really take your time, but, like, you know, your girl is gonna leave it at that. And for, like, a rough straighten, it's really, like, you know, it's giving straight, even though, like, I didn't really take my time with it. It's giving. I feel like everybody looks nice with, like, blonde. Like, it's just that color that go with everybody's complexion. Like, I've never seen one person that had, like, blonde and they didn't look good. Like, it just looks so good. Okay, so this is how far it comes too. And this is a, like, body wave texture, but I decided to straighten it out because I just wanted it straight. Like, I didn't want it to be body wave. Like, when I seen the color,
I envisioned it straight. So I did like blow it out, so like I didn't get a chance to show you like what it looks like in its natural state, but I'm sure you know, like body wave textures, they kind of like have that loose wave, so like you could wear it like that, or you could put curls in it, or you could straighten it out like I did. Like, you know, it's a lot that you could do. And as always, for the part, I just put powder in the part. I never like bleach my knots or anything like that. I just put powder in the part, and then I put mousse on the top to like lay it down. You saw. This is the final look. It's just, I told you, it's giving. And like this hair is so soft and so flowy. Like it made it so, like that's why I feel like like I showed y'all, I didn't really like take my time straightening the hair, but it still looks so straight and it feels so nice. But I think it's because like the hair quality is just that good, because this hair feels so nice. The color is done so beautifully. Like it's not super like yellowish, because I really can't stand that. Like I said already, I hate when you see a picture of a wig and then it comes and it's kind of like more yellow than it is like ash blonde. And this is giving like what it looks like in the picture. They did a good job with the coloring, so shouts out to that. And yeah, y'all know like how I style my wigs. I don't really like lay frontal, but this is a frontal, so if you wanted to like lay frontal, you could, but that's not really my steez. I don't do that, so I just parted her down the middle and then kept it pushing. It would look cute as a side part too, but for this, I know I've been like fiending for the middle part, I mean for the side part, but for this, I'm gonna keep it in the middle, because we had enough for the side part for like the first couple of videos, right? Like, let's see some variety. Switch it up. I just love this color. I'm serious. Okay, so let me focus. Well, it's not really talking about let me focus. It's not really much else to say. I feel like I pretty much talked about everything. I gave all of the specs and the details about the wig. I showed you how I styled it and all of that stuff. So it's not really much else to say. I'm gonna go. Once again, shout out to Julia Hair for sending me over this wig and collaborating with me on today's video. We truly appreciate it. If you are interested in this wig by any chance, all of the links will be in the description box for you to check it out. So yeah, give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Drop that in the comments. You know, leave me a comment. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Just engage with the content, because it really helps your girl out, and you will be doing me a big favor. Okay, so enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be, and I'll catch you on my next one. Peace and blessings. Bye.